my good people of Nigeria, now welcome to the program TV where they come now way. This is the people view. This is my program where this say they carry the go touchlighting so they happen for our rural areas. So this is like say our government they don't forget us and they bring that come to the limelight to make sure that they will know say yes, see where they lack behind, where they go touchlight the place, where they help the people. The rural area people where they do so that maybe say now only during election time they will go there for campaign. Now they carry the program come my station with this. Now my name still remain Samson Ogu. And not the only one they carry this program they go the permanent site. They here they run out with my colleague here. We name now Wana Friday.
Yes, my people, I greet you now for inside this afternoon. Good afternoon, and a very big happy Salah celebration to our Muslim brothers who they watch us on top the people's view. My name now Unwana Friday. If you still call me Calabar became the Thunderbolts on the air, make you don't forget, now me, that small body, at the big. And so at the talk, I know they hide mouth at all. Don't forget, the people's view, now that program where we carry the enter some rural areas. Meeting we see. Now so we dey talk am. Make I wait for here. When the floor don't open for me to talk, I go open my mouth well because as it be, I no dey hear anything from mouth as I see am. Na so I dey talk am.
Wanapadi, thank you very much for that one. Today we carry one topic on where we say it dey bother us for almost 1 year now. We don dey fight for the matter. We say concern Katampe 1 and their transformer. So the thing that they look like spiritual for our eye before. I think it's a spiritual thing. We say Katampe 1, they will bring transformer today. The next day they say transformer don't spoil. They'll carry that one go, they'll carry another one come back. They'll bring another transformer. You know, it reach 2 days, transformer don't spoil again. They'll bring the third one, we go. Now they come leave one. Because there is a darkness for 5 months before that last. They can't bring this one come. They call they celebrate. Like saying at Christmas. Now they celebrate for Katampe 1 for Mpape for Abuja. And this Katampe 1 what they talk about, you know they far from Villa. If you start from that east, you will see also Villa, you will see Villa. It's straight inside, you will see them. Now these people, they battle with light matter, ABC. I don't know what's happening, but I will still say thank you because your best, they happy, they rejoice, say they get light last. Because not the small fight, not the small battle before that transformer come out. One Friday, what you want to talk about this matter?
You know, as you talk the matter, I just prepare the think how I want to enter the matter. You know, my brother. You talk something, you say the thing don't be like spiritual.
The thing don't become like spiritual.
You see, in a society where some certain things don't become a norm, you get the one will go happy, you go come the knock on top spirits, but now we do ourselves. I feel remember saying inside still that Katampe, now I don't find out here, say some people they go gather transformer, they do fasting and prayer for. See, my brother, I know everything I want to talk. Okay, like the Pape in general. Check am. You go see. Once rain don't fall, light problem they always dey. Once rain don't fall, 2-3 days you go see say light no go dey. You see, this level of a thing wey dem come change to AEDC. If you calculate the money wey dem dey make from the rural areas, these small communities, these people are not supposed to be lacking light.
Per month, when we do our survey, they say that they generate 14 million.
14 million
for that one transformer.
That is if them fit collect from all houses. Now
14 million now they collect.
14 million.
And wetin dey happen now wey cause the problem you see
this
transformer na only for Katampe 1.
Okay. No, tell me say for Pape
na only for Katampe 1.
Say na 14 million they collect.
Na only for Katampe 1 not be 14 million so.
Okay.
And these people, wetin dey cause the problem be say they say na overload the way they dey load the transformer. Because the two transformer na those people dey use. The other one wey dey this side wey other people dey use, they come drop use comot people from that one, add down to the ones wey dey bring transformer now.
They come carry more
load.
I wan ask one question.
So they suppose know say either they bring another transformer make because that community dey dey large. Then they bring another transformer wey go help them. So that this transformer wey they bring come so you no dey hear story that touches the heart say e no still last again.
I wan ask one question. We know say periodically make I speak English small because even the night school where I go I still dey manage am. Periodically Cameroon dey open down and that water wey dey comot for there suppose become a source of generation of power for us, abi? Instead of that, this water wey dey come from there now dey come become disaster to us. Why we no fit look for a way to build a dam wey be say if this water come e go come become a source of help to us instead of a source of demolition, destruction. Now we dey talk am say dey open this transformer. Now we dey jubilate for. Wetin be the problem? Why we no fit celebrate uninterrupted power for inside our country? Why we no? Before I hear when I dey grow up, I hear say na we dey give Ghana light. Ghana don celebrate uninterrupted how many years of light? But our own, if it happen like this, the next thing in the next few, it will take months later before that community, because I would like maybe people call, tell us how long it take for them to get this transformer. Now something, the question be say, people, the women, mama, work for that community wey be say na all these small light things so they dey use do their small business. How much they don lost so far? Those wey dey do kunu, those wey dey do zobo, those wey dey do wey dey sell all these fish and all these small things. How much they don lost so far? And the NEPA themselves wey allow this thing play reach this level before dem bring this transformer. How much they don lost? Now what is the government, the minister of power?
Na wetin dey pay the
minister of power
14 million every month.
Yes, something.
They go see that money collect again.
I get wetin I wan make we do. If we go push reach the table of the minister of power, I go wan make him talk on top this matter, because no be only Pape or Katampe dey suffer this thing.
We get so many communities for this suffer this
and
power matter.
My brother, I take it or leave it from me. I dey talk am with boldness. AUDC are making more money from the rural communities than they are making from all these big cities wey you dey hear. You know why? All these people dey do market. That is the source of their survival. That woman wey dey do kunu aya, especially if you get shop, you no go want make our market go down. I no see reason why for those wey dey watch na the transformer.
And the transformer wey carry come be that wey Katape one transformer wey be say they come dey rejoice. Some people don go kill fowl, they celebrate am. And fasting and prayer wey dem do.
Kill fowl, fasting and prayer follow join. This one go make us make we need the minister of power, make him ma talk on top this particular matter, because this one wey dem dey bring now something. If they no do the necessary, that place now need 2 transformers, abi?
You need to put transformer.
Now, this one wey dem dey do.
If they overload this one again, na wetin happen to the rest 3 wey don go down, na go still happen to this one.
It will spoil again. And then these people go still there for how many months without light?
Without light.
Pape as a whole now, some women wey I meet before we come this program so they don dey cry. Why? Once rain don fall, the rest assured say for some days you no go get light. What happens to these women that are doing this businesses,
small scale business, like Baba, all those people who go there.
I tell you the truth.
Where they help their family.
You won't hear from me. Make me clap for our women. Ask me why.
Why?
My brother, some men don't lack job now. Now their women, they take care of the house.
No be lie, no be lie.
Small
No be lie.
Make me clap for African women are wonderful. Some men don't lack job now because of the way the country dey. Now their women, good wives, so not be wife. Difference dey between wife and wife. I dey tell you the truth.
Wife and wife.
Wife and wife. My brother, no be laughing matter. Those wey be wife, as condition of the country dey now, na through this small business. My brother, Nigeria, now we be the giant of Africa. We no supposed to celebrate when dem bring transformer. We are supposed to be celebrating at least, let me say, 20 years of non-interrupted light. Ghana don celebrate how many years of non-interrupted light. We now when transformer come for one area,
now we go celebrate.
They keep chicken. Is it not an embarrassment for us, the giant of Africa? We go reach the office of the Minister of Power. Make we know why it be like this.
Because so many communities for FCT, they suffer the same thing.
They suffer am. And
now make us dey open our phone line. They be say,
if you give me
if you get
hours, I go talk. It vex me.
any issues wey dey happen for your community, if na AEDC or anyone, if you call our number wey we dey show for screen, and so that we will talk about am on air now, so that the Minister of Power sef dey lis ten, they dey watch wetin dey happen.
The thing wey dey on ground now, Samson, you know say you dey always like send me message. Calabar pikin go this community, go the other community. Wetin I dey see? Complain, cry, tears.
Na the problem, as people view, na our duty to dey enter communities to go dey identify issues wey dey happen to them.
If these women, because of say they don see light now, woman wey don hustle go save like 20,000 because okay now don come here the same way they dey celebrate now. We go come go buy aya groundnut and all of these things to come do this school with hope say light go dey for how to sell am finish. All of a sudden rain fall or one thing happen, the light go. That thing now go turn na perishable items.
Yes.
It go spoil.
It go spoil.
We don be pass this level wey we go dey celebrate transformer. I don hear say for that Katampe they dey do fasting and prayer around transformer. My brother, no be everything wey we dey get hand inside.
No be everything. Na we dey talk about ourselves. Na we dey do am by ourselves.
We no go fit celebrate power.
If they give you power to use am well, help people. Well, let me say 5 months. The first transformer dey come. They don first do some months before the transformer come. So 19 round am up wey make am 13 months of blackout.
13 months.
13 months.
13 months.
So the first one, they first bring.
That one don pass a year na 1 year plus.
1 year 1 month now.
1 year 1 month.
Na this second transformer.
And this one wey dem bring now, if backup no dey, which go make am 2 transformers. Let's be rest assured that the same thing go happen again.
Because of
overloaded, blackout go still come again. This one maybe we go calculate maybe we dey calculate 20-something months. No be the same Katampe we hear say some of them dey even contribute for the sake of the transformer.
Even during New Year, they say get your light reach. Go dey take carry matter come to say get your light reach from this place to this place again, no light. They don complain, write so many letters, go give AEDC, say make they give them transformer, na so they promise them. We don dey go 6 months now. They never hear anything.
We beg anybody. That's why the program.
They never hear any information from AEDC. They never hear say transformer go come, no go come, na so they leave them there. Those people say they don tire.
When they talk say no dey beg anybody.
They don tire to go there. Go right.
Anybody. My brother, you know why some certain bodies dey for inside the country Nigeria, and I dey always dey talk and say some people no dey know where to cry their cry carry go. Now Katampe people come meet us So now they don't bring transformer. Do you mean now? They do quiet. They don't want talk. Their own fit pass. Their own fit pass the 13 months. Yes, now, my brother. See, the problem for this country not be the government itself. The problem sometimes now we get bodies where they say if you cry, carry your cry, go there. How many of us you know say if you do these things? So if you don't cry to the right channel, we don't talk here for people's way. If you call, send WhatsApp message, send text message. How many people they do it? Not the only papi alone with the face. My brother, anywhere where you take that community, never give for inside room. You know say if you reach our numbers, we could carry them check for your water. Caterpillar, they don't. So they join the salad. And the transformer,
everything come together and the double celebration.
But it makes me see the way use the light do the salad.
But there's still hope is still there. For my country people, the number will be for your screen. Mona send anything will happen for your community. Send WhatsApp message. If you do small video of you waiting, if not bad road, if not transformer issue, if you do small video. Send a proof of the number for WhatsApp, tell us your location so that we follow up. So that the necessary authority, people who are supposed to put eye for the matter, they're supposed to do and who they're supposed to do.
It's important for them.
And you know the election that they come now. They also they go all those villages where they say they neglect. Somebody do 8 years for power, when you wish for campaign, you know the villages. You know where they go campaign, but as you don't enter there, you don't remember them again.
You don't finish.
So as time for election reach, you go back there again. I don't know what you want to tell them.
No, you know, see me, I always tell my viewers them, I tell them, say, my brother, not be only when you don't reach time for election, they will come for your voter's card. Because what they want is your voter's card. If not, when you don't give them your voter's card, meaning you don't go to print that vote when you vote, give that person we don't enter power. Things like this supposed not be issue. But if they give me surprise, say inside the country Nigeria, we be the world, the African
giant of Africa,
go come on nationals like this, they talk of power, light. Because my brother, I tell you see, Nigerians are not lazy. We're not lazy. Give Nigerian person light. These young boys of today, give us light, give us good road,
basic amenities.
All these small
we say we suppose now we are entitled to it.
You know, we don't suppose to beg for them. My brother, our fathers, they the leaders today enjoy quality, good education. Some of them go school on scholarship. When last you don't hear school on scholarship?
So. This light matter, not only Katampe, it affect so many communities for the FCT who they so, and this FCT who they, now all of us get them. Those way they in charge, Mona do it when I supposed to do so that at least we, the commoners, go still get, they say, let the poor breathe. So that we still go still they breathe.
The question now be say, the poor, I beg, the phone number they on our screen. If the poor are breathing, because this one now, I not go lie you, not be president no go fit do everything. You understand?
Now make their delegate powers give different people so that they go get their offices, so they will handle, they do their work.
How would they
if everybody they do their work?
How would they use and help ourselves? Now be the big question. The thing where the price of things we don't overstep for market now. Now president, now we go blame.
Calabar became more no black, so don't talk too much because the black say this time they run way. And waiting with your last talk before we go leave the studio.
My brother, my last talk on top this matter of AEDC, who they talk so.
Yes.
This Katampe where they don't carry one transformer go give so. In order for story that touches the heart and wound the soul not to enter, make them back them up. Now two transformer be waiting, not be when one don't get issue, they call the do fire brigade approach, and so to other communities. Make them give happy people light. They need light. Not be say when rain fall, light could disappear. It is spoil people market.
Okay, thank you.
And also spoil their own market.
Yeah, thank you very much. AEDC, Mona do the needful. May not be say
we suppose now for this country we suppose that they celebrate 1 year non-interrupted power supply. Now transformer now we dey celebrate now wey dey bring come. Now we dey celebrate for Katampe 1, for Mpape. This place so they very close to Villa. So when I do the needful, may we the commoners more breathe. Now I go put picture come for the program for today. Till I come your way, same time, same station. My name still remain Samson Ogun. Una bye bye.